Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Chainlink right now. It's at $27.27, a very solid price for Chainlink actually. If we actually take a look, in this last 24-hour period, we've had a really solid increase, a 10.57% increase in the last 24 hours. That's all the way down from 24.44 up to 27.27 with about a $3 increase. We're going to continue to see more and more people bullish on Chainlink. Hype and really the news that has come out for Chainlink is continuing to build. Obviously, new projects every single day integrating with Chainlink, and that's exactly what we need for Chainlink to continue to rise in value, utility, and obviously use cases as well. You can see the market cap is still a very low number, $12.5 billion in market cap for Chainlink. And I think, everybody here knows, if you're watching this video, that Chainlink is a coin with a ton of value behind it. $12.5 billion market cap is still going to be a very low market cap, in my opinion, when it comes to what Chainlink is doing and providing for so many different projects around the crypto really space altogether. And we can see that the volume in the last 24 hours has actually rose about 48 to 49% in the last 24-hour period. We've seen a $1.4 billion volume, and that's just absolutely insane. We continue to see more and more people, as well as retail, as well as institutional investors, jumping on board with Chainlink and understanding what this is really doing for the crypto space as a whole. So you can see that the trading activity as well, 54% buy, 46% sell. One thing that we could see in the future is obviously staking for Chainlink. Something like that coming to Chainlink would be absolutely massive. We're waiting on that. If we get any news or information on that, because I have had a lot of questions about that recently, we will definitely let you guys know. We cover pretty much everything on this channel every single day. Whether it's Chainlink, Cardano, VeChain, Polkadot. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on to stay up to date with Chainlink, as well as so many other coins every single day. If we take a look at the Twitter, we can see that there is a ton of integrations every single day as well. So the first one we're going to take a look at here is Pods Finance. Has integrated Chainlink price feeds on Ethereum and Polygon mainnet to provide its option-specific AMM with high-quality data, helping secure option contracts with reliable and accurate pricing. So this is definitely one of the many really recent projects that have integrated with Chainlink, and that's why Chainlink is so special and valuable. There are so many different projects that need to utilize Chainlink to continue to really compete in this space. We also see Sparker, a game, a play-to-earn sci-fi MMO ARPG on Polygon, has integrated Chainlink VRF to access a probably fair, secure source of randomness, which Spark Era uses to generate random NFTs in the loot boxes and power other chance-based in-game mechanics. So you can understand that there's many different ways people can go to utilize Chainlink. Chainlink doesn't offer just one thing or two things or three things. They offer tons of different utilization mechanics that can help really projects across the space. And that's, like I said, what makes Chainlink so valuable and makes utilization revolve around Chainlink when it comes to the crypto space. One thing as well, we see MGH an NFT-focused DAO, will launch its own Chainlink node to make its NFT valuation data available on blockchain, starting with the sandbox game Land Tiles. So this is absolutely huge as well. More things in the metaverse coming and taking advantage of the Chainlink ecosystem as a whole. I do have some more things to talk about after this. I think we have two more? We have two more we're going to talk about real quick, because these are all just within, by the way, the last 24 hours for the most part. Then we're going to talk about some of the cool things that are continuing to push Link even farther. We have some articles we're going to jump into today, and we're going to talk about the price prediction for the end of the year and the end of the bull market as well. So money market and lending platform Agave Lending is using Chainlink price feeds on XDAI chain to accurately and securely calculate collateralization ratios, helping ensure lenders stay solvent and borrowers are not unfairly liquidated during market volatility, which is another great reason to actually enter the Chainlink ecosystem. So we see great amount of projects jumping on board, as we have one more to look at just in this last 24-hour period. Decentralized strategy game Etherone game is using Chainlink keepers to automate its game mechanics in a decentralized and low-cost manner. Taking a look, though, I do want to talk about this real quick. So I do have a giveaway going on specifically for Chainlink. So 40 Chainlink is going to be given away at the end of October if Chainlink hits $40 by then. If it doesn't, we're going to continue this on into November and continue to go until this $40 Chainlink is actually given away. 40 Chainlink is given away, not at $40. It doesn't really matter where we actually give it away, but I am planning on giving this away on or during the upswing in this bull market. So I do want to take a look. And by the way, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to follow me on Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. All you have to do is follow me and retweet this tweet to be entered. Hopefully you guys do win. Like I said, there's a great opportunity for Chainlink to actually push to this $40 still by the end of this month. If we take a look here, we can see is Chainlink token's strong comeback heading towards $30 mark. Chainlink token is trying to move higher after a pullback from higher levels and now heading towards the higher levels. So Chainlink token over the monthly time frame is trying to move higher with really while suppressing its short-term moving averages of 20, 50, 100, and 200 days. So I'm not going to jump too far into this, guys, but for the most part, you're seeing more articles talking about Chainlink every single day. We're seeing more and more bullish, really, announcements and talks about what Chainlink's price could be doing. So there's resistance on the higher side of 28.20 and 31.20. So we're going to have to watch those spots on the increase. But for now, we've had a heck of a day with over a 10% increase in the last 24 hours. I do want to take a look at this article as well because this one talks about Chainlink adoption multiplies as Link price prepares for 90% upswing. So Chainlink price is retracing to a stable support floor at 21.65. By the way, this was 2 days ago this one came out. As the entire market takes a hit, a bounce off this barrier is likely to trigger a Link to rally 88% to 41.38. So we are, looks like, according to FX Street, it's looking like we could definitely hit $40 by the end of October. uHolder and Hyperjump integrate the Oracle's price feeds in VRF. Obviously, there's more than that, guys. Every single day, we have tons of projects jumping on board. But these are just two that they mentioned here in this article. It's really, really great to see, just the utility that Chainlink provides for so many great projects in this crypto space. I do want to jump, though, back over to Chainlink, talk about the price predictions for the end of the year and the end of the bull market altogether. If we take a look right now, we're sitting right around $27 still. So $26.99. You can see that there's still tons of volatility, by the way, in this market. Not just, Chainlink, but the NFT crypto space as a whole always will have and remain volatile. So keep that in mind when you are investing. And remember, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing as well. But if we take a look at the last week, you can see that there was a fairly large volatility spike here. So we went from about $27.90 down to about $22. Well, about $23, never reached 22, but then we went right back up to about 27 again. So just crazy volatility. I think we're going to continue to see this, and with this, we are going to see an upturn or an increase, upswing in this, upcoming couple of months. I think we are going to see Chainlink pushing closer to $30 to $50 within this month and the next month. But then by the end of this year, altogether, I think we're going to see Chainlink pushing $50 to $80 at the very, very least. By the end of the bull market, I do suggest Chainlink still reaches $120 to $200 at the very least. I think that's going to be a realistic, conservative price prediction for where Chainlink is headed. It only makes sense with how much it's doing, how much it's utilizing, how much really projects are really, needing Chainlink. They utilize Chainlink in such a great way that crypto projects are in such need of something like Chainlink. So the value there is absolutely insane. So we're going to keep you guys up to date, like I said, with Chainlink as well as so many other cryptos, really projects, crypto, assets across the board. But if we take a look at some of these, there's some great coins to talk about. We talk about Polkadot a lot. We talk about Solana, Cardano, Chainlink. Chainlink, by the way, one of my favorites in the space, one that I'm definitely obviously invested in as well. So let me know what your guys' thoughts on where you think Chainlink's going to be by the end of the year, the end of the bull market. I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts. If you guys have any really need to, feel like you want to support more, definitely check out the Patreon down in the description below. It also gives you low market and pre-sale opportunities as quickly as we can. So you can actually check that out if you want to learn more. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys all in the next one.